Hi there, my name is Jasmeet and welcome back. So I started this how to series and it's the second part of it. Have you ever wanted to use stickers of your name in WhatsApp? Like just like this. Isn't it exciting? If yes, please continue watching this video till the end. I will show you the exact steps that you need to follow to make your own customized stickers. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. So let's start the process. Firstly, we need to install two apps which are Pixel Lab and Personal Stickers for WhatsApp. So let's install them one by one. Let's wait for it to install. Now let's install the other one, which is Pixel Lab. You click on install. So after these apps are installed, we can start our work. Firstly, we need to create our text, like our name sticker in Pixel Lab. We'll give the permission. So we can use these themes like the second one, third one, whatever we like. Or we can simply create a sticker which could be transparent like this. We can just write text. Let me write just my name, which is Jasmeet, Jasmeet. So now I can customize it to make it look better. So if I just increase its size, now it's looking good. I can even rotate it like that, or can change the color just like this, or I can see if I need to use texture or not. Just get rid of that. Do some customization here, or up to me if you want to use background or not. Let's do this. Shadow. Make it look like 3D. Wow. So now I click on save as image. One thing to make sure is that the format of the file should be PNG, because that's what is supported by WhatsApp as our stickers. And we need to make 2 more stickers like this, because minimum 3 stickers are required in a pack to be added. So let's save it again with some modifications. And just one more. Let's change opacity. You can do that too. Save as image. All looks good. Save to gallery. Now we need to open personal sticker app. Give the permission. Here you can see that we have 6 stickers total, 3 of which we created just now. We just added it. Now we open WhatsApp to see the changes, to see if we have any new stickers. Click on stickers icon. Yeah, you can see that all of the 3 stickers are here, which we just created, and we can use it. It's so much fun. Thank you.